What's the relationship between Skrill and Paysafe? Is Skrill a subsidiary of Paysafe, or is it a completely independent entity? These are questions that have been floating around the financial tech community for quite some time. Today, we're going to delve deep into this topic and uncover the truth. Let's start by understanding the historical context. Skrill, formerly known as Moneybookers, was established in 2001. It quickly gained popularity as a reliable and convenient online payment solution. Paysafe, on the other hand, is a global payments platform that was formed in 2009 through the merger of OPAP and Paysafe Group. Acquisition and integration. In 2013, Paysafe acquired Skrill in a deal valued at approximately $1.1 billion. This acquisition was a strategic move for Paysafe, as Skrill brought a significant customer base and a strong presence in the online gambling and gaming markets. Synergies and benefits. The acquisition of Skrill by Paysafe has led to several synergies and benefits for both companies. Skrill has gained access to Paysafe's extensive network of payment options and regulatory licenses, allowing it to expand its reach and offer a wider range of services to its customers. Paysafe, on the other hand, has strengthened its position in the digital wallet and online payment space. Post-acquisition changes. Since the acquisition, Skrill has undergone significant changes. The company has rebranded itself, launched new products and services, and expanded its operations into new markets. However, despite these changes, Skrill's core mission of providing a secure and convenient online payment solution remains the same. Ownership and control. So, to answer the question, is Skrill owned by Paysafe? The short answer is yes. Paysafe is the majority shareholder of Skrill, controlling a significant portion of the company's equity. This means that Paysafe has the ultimate authority over Skrill's operations and strategic decisions. Future outlook. As the online payment landscape continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how Skrill and Paysafe will adapt. With Paysafe's backing and Skrill's innovative approach, the future looks promising for both companies. In conclusion, Skrill is indeed owned by Paysafe. The acquisition of Skrill has been a strategic move for Paysafe, allowing it to strengthen its position in the digital wallet and online payment space. While Skrill has undergone significant changes since the acquisition, its core mission remains the same. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.